Today we again have another one of these banger interviews. We have Michael here. He's one of our clients in Agent Velocity. We have been working together for 4 months and he has been killing it. So how are you doing, Michael? Thanks for being here.
Doing pretty good. Excited to be here, actually, because this is the first kind of in the field I've been.
To start it off, can you do a little small intro for everyone? Who you are, what kind of agent you're running, how has the last 4 months been?
Yeah, so my name is Michael, founder at Client Elevation, and I just actually remodeled this agencies around 4 months ago, fully focusing on helping marketing agencies print down meetings by using all things like cold emails, appointment setters, all that good stuff. Literally helped him print money.
I just saw your case study. Michael had a fucking crazy case study. What did you do for a client in January?
Yeah, so I have onboarded clients around in January, and we're able to help them go from booking just 5 to 6 calls per month to fucking 25 calls per week, which ultimately result in 0 to 40K cash collected, no pipeline value, no that bullshit, cash collected in 30 fucking days.
You have been going at it for 7 months, became our client 4 months ago. So what were you doing before you started working with us?
Yeah, so I would say before I don't even do anything actually. I was just looking around, see what's going on and see like TikTok, the trends of serving e-commerce brands. And when I got in, there's too many things for me to learn. The sales page you wrote literally hit every single pain point of mine, like how to book meetings, how to deliver service. You don't know how to deliver service. And this business model, right? You just need to learn one skill. And like, whoa, it make a lot of sense. The most important skill across all business, right? Which is lead gen or client acquisition. So I just book a call with one of you guys, right? Then just, okay, done, sign, take my money.
Immediately after 4 months, you came in. What do you think was the most valuable thing right off the bat?
The first one, community, like seeing the channels, the win channels, boom, 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 really motivate you. Like everyone's winning. Why I'm not winning? Like what I'm doing. So like it fucking motivate you a lot. Literally, I'm pushing myself every single day, harder and harder. And second thing is conviction. What I mean is because when I was building this business, which is helping people with lead gen, right? When I doing sales call, sometimes I don't even know can I deliver actually. But actually having you and Rob, like I know I have these two guys, I can reach out to them 24/7. It make me feel like I have a lot of support behind my back. No matter what problem can be solved by you guys. This one-on-one support, like the support is literally amazing. And second one is community. And of course, the most valuable thing is back me up, support me so that I can have I'm really confident in myself because I know, oh, I just got these two guys in my back that every problem can solve in terms of like lead gen, helping clients for the service delivery.
Exactly. Yeah. Thank you, man. That's amazing to hear. Sometimes I got to remind our clients inside, just let us help, like sign the client and let us write you emails and let's make it work. Before you joined, what was like the main problem you were trying to solve? What were you trying to get out of working with us?
Yeah, the biggest problem I'm trying to solve is, of course, client acquisition, right? Because before I'm launching the e-com TikTok agency, right? And I have no clue how to actually deliver. And when I see this business model, this lead gen business model, it make a lot of fucking sense for me. I just need to learn one skill, right? Which I can learn from you guys because you guys actually run a lead gen agency before. And I can solve a single problem for ourselves and also our clients, right? So this is the main thing I'm looking for, which is one thing that can set me up for life.
Exactly. If you think about it, the most important part of every business, sales, the most important part of every single sales process is always getting more leads and doing the outreach. So if you can solve that for a business and learn how to do it, bro, you will never have to worry about money after it.
I'll never go broke.
After working with us for 4 months, what has the results been that you have achieved for your agency and how has that affected your business and your life in general?
Yeah, in revenue wise, so last week we just collect 14,000 USD in 5 days, cash collected. And during 40 monthly recurring revenue, because this month will definitely be the biggest month. But in terms of last month, you actually hit around 20K. But plus the performance fee, I don't even know because I'm printing for clients 0 to 40K in 30 days. But life have been really good. Right now, I don't even look at price tag. I'm just 20 years old, right?
Yeah.
20K is definitely enough. Not enough for me, but it's enough for just having a good life. Just buy whatever I want. But of course, I've been investing hard in the business as well. We've been building so many things. But yeah.
Exactly. When you are making around 20K a month, like you pass the threshold of not having to check your bank account every single day and being like, can I afford this? You go to a store and you're like, oh, this looks cool, I'll just buy it. Or you see like something and you're like, yeah, I'll just get it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, just get it. I don't care.
It's a good feeling for sure.
Yeah,
it's a good feeling. Yeah. What do you think has been like the impact of working with us? What do you think your life would look like right now if you never became our client?
Yeah, probably with no clue what I should be doing, probably hopping on different business model. If I hop off with a different business model, like I will have spent so many times again for learning from a completely zero. And one more thing is, if I don't join this program, I pretty much, of course, won't get success that fast because they support, right? I know how to support, which I'm really confident in myself.
Where did you first hear about us? And what was the thing that really caught your interest?
I heard you at the end of September because I literally see one page in the book call. Everything just makes sense for me, right? Look at everything. Okay, makes sense. Book call. Okay, telling me. Okay, make a lot of sense. But take my money, sign me. Like I heard you from Twitter. I don't even know like which link I click. I just click one link and I don't know why I watched through the whole, because I remember it's a fucking long page. I literally see every single line, like maybe each line is attacking my pain point every single line. But yeah, it's a great page. Book a call, sign me up. That's it.
What was the main thing that made you hop in the call?
The business model, the entire business model just totally makes sense for me. And also, I know someone who have already done it, right? So that I can not only help me with my own client acquisition and also clients acquisition, right? So fuck, I got nothing to worry. Build the email accounts, even the email copies, have someone can help me write it out. Even my client's copy can help me write it out. Then maybe I just hire like an inbox manager or whatever. But right now, of course, the product is more than that. But when I first joined, just totally makes sense for me. I just feel like I got so much things that could back me up that I can't fail.
That's amazing to hear, because that's what we are trying to communicate to everyone. We are trying to have so much stuff that like there's really, if you just do it, like how the fuck can you fail?
Especially like if you're seeing not some kind of good result, okay, just hit you up. Okay, this is what I'm currently doing. I'm not seeing good result. Maybe you okay, try this, test this, just keep producing like new ideas.
Can you describe a bit how does it look like to work with us?
It's literally okay, you tell me what I should do, right? What I'm gonna do in the next step, then I just do it. I already done it, maybe have some feedback, tell you guys what's going on right here. Then you tell me, okay, this is what you do next. Then I've done it again. So literally like a step-by-step guide. I don't even need to think.
So how likely would you recommend us? Let's say that there's someone listening or watching to this and they're like, might have to hop into Agency Velocity program. What would you tell to that person?
Yeah, get your credit card ready or debit card, whatever. Book a call with your team. Then like just skip the whole part. Okay, what's the price? Sign me up. Done. Just get your card ready when you book a call. If you don't get your card ready, don't book a call. Don't win the shop. Have a ready to buy mindset when booking a call. Yeah, exactly. If everything makes sense, just buy it.
That's well said. All the resources and information, you can go over that before the call and just go to the call to make the decision and buy it. So in terms of feedback, what do you think that we can improve, or what do you think that we could add or do better inside the program?
Like you guys have been doing an amazing job, I think. Like everyone is winning. Literally every single one is winning. Yeah. I've never seen some program like that. But whoa, every single day win, boom, 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 boom. I don't think that you guys do a great job already.
Amazing to hear. Amazing. Perfect. You're killing the game. After 4 months, you're looking to do probably a huge month, maybe 30K. Like how you have set up your agency, it's really fucking sick. Last time when I had a call with you, you were like, I have a closer, I have a fulfillment team, I have this, I just do team calls, I just chill. Obviously, you're a fucking killer there. So if someone is watching this video and they're like, I'm gonna start making money, I don't want to look at the price tags anymore, I don't want to be a brokey, what would you say that is the most important thing for that person to understand to make it happen?
This one thing saved me by a ton, which is volume. Literally every single problem can solve by volume, I would say, right? If you're not booking enough meetings, just sending more volume. So one actually started, right? One time I'm looking for VAs, right? So I currently have a couple VAs, right? I tell all of my VAs, join all the Facebook group, right? Those Facebook group have tens of thousands of members. And then tell them to post every single day. I'm posting 90 job posts per day on those tens of thousands. Like, who the fuck does this? But I got 2,000 VAs in 10 days under my ecosystem. Yeah. And also be patient, take action. Maybe the result won't come today. Maybe it will come at 3 months. I just literally focus on daily activity instead of result. There's one day I'm sending like around 3,000 outreach in a single day, right? Emails combined with DMs. And I literally got just 1 to 2 calls. I don't know what's going on, but I just keep sending. I don't care. And the next week is completely booked out. No spot left. Every single spot is fucking booked out. It's booked out. And it's like, okay, whatever. Just keep sending. Okay, not seeing result. Well, I don't care. Fuck it. I'll just keep sending, keep sending, keep sending. I just focus volume and doing it. I don't care about result. I know it will come.
Exactly. And focus on the activities, not the result. That's amazing. Perfect. Do you have anything to add before we call off the interview?
Of course. Book a call. Get your card ready. Fucking buy this shit.
Come make some money with us, with me and Michael. We can show you the ropes. If you're looking to build a lead generation agency, scale it to 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month, go check agencyvelocity.io. Go through all the materials that we have there. Go through my YouTube videos. Get the information up front. And then if it still looks interesting, book a call, get your card ready, hop in and start making money with me and Michael. And I hope to see you there.